Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, a nice, really simple, cheap, budget meal of cabbage and egg. Very easy to make. I've got my lovely daughter, Moya, with me today. She's going to be helping us.
Let's go to the ingredients that we need.
Okay, so very simple this one today. Very, very easy cabbage with eggs. Moya's going to tell us what we need. What do we need, Moya?
Cabbage. Yeah. 3 eggs, 1 onion,
yeah,
and bell peppers.
Bell peppers.
Garlic.
Yeah, 1 tablespoon of garlic. And then shall I do the spices?
Yes.
Okay, so we've got turmeric, cumin, and chili powder. 1 teaspoon each, only a little bit. But we're going to start with some oil, okay? And we're going to add some salt and pepper, and maybe some cilantro or coriander, something like that. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got my wok here. You're going to need some sort of pan or something. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. We're getting this nice and hot. We're going to start off by putting our onions in. Can I have the onions, baby? Thank you. I'll drop them in. Careful. I've sliced my onions, but you don't have to. You can chop them if you want, but I think slice works quite well. We're now going to add our garlic. You got that, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. In that goes. If you wanted, you could be putting some ginger in this as well. Might be nice. So I just like the garlic. We're on a high heat and we're going to go for about 3 minutes stir frying around. We'll see you then. Are you going to eat this?
I
don't think you will eat it. I'll eat it, but I don't think you will. Okay, looking beautiful. Do you like the smell of the onions, darling?
No.
Yeah, I know. Okay, next we're going to put our cabbage in. Can you give me the cabbage, please? Thank you. So I've shredded this white cabbage. Now, you could be putting anything else in here, like, for example, carrots, thinly sliced carrots, or celery. If you were going to do that, get them in now as well. We're going to stir fry this around for, how long are we going to stir fry this for, do you think?
4 minutes.
4 minutes? 4 minutes sounds perfect. Stirring all the time. Okay, so that's like 4 minutes there. Next up, we're going to add in our bell peppers. Thank you, my love. Now, if you wanted to put zucchini or mushrooms in, they're going at this sort of point. I'm just giving you a few suggestions as to what you could be putting in. I'm now going to drop in a little bit of salt, some black pepper, and we're going to add our spices now. Can you give me those spices, please? So our spices are turmeric, cumin, and chili powder. Just small amounts of each, teaspoon or so. And again, stirring all the time. Be back in 3 minutes. The next thing we're going to do is, we're going to put the egg in after this. Yeah. Okay, so we've been stir frying on a very high heat all the way so far, and this is looking beautiful. One more ingredient to add, and that's our eggs. We've got, how many eggs are there?
3.
3 eggs that we've beaten. In it goes. And then of course we're going to be mixing this continuously for the next 2 to 3 minutes. We're pretty much done. I'm going to eat this, definitely. What about you? You want to try it? You're not going to try it? Okay, so we're done. My egg's beautifully done. Off goes the heat. I'm just going to add some, what's this called?
Coriander, but in America they call it
Cilantro. And in Ethiopia?
And in Ethiopia they call it
Dembala.
dembala.
There you go. So we're done. We hope you enjoy that. I'm going to enjoy it. Moya's definitely not going to go near this. She doesn't like this one, but I love it. Really simple, nice budget meal. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, say hello. We do like to hear from you, and we'll see you soon.
Lots of love.